So I lost hope. This COVID came, and I thought, why don't I give it a try? After getting placed from EdYoda, I got this opportunity.
Hi everyone, welcome to EdYoda Alumni Talks, and this is your host Rishabh Chatterjee. And today we have a special guest here with us, Rafi. So first of all, I would like to congratulate him for getting placed and also thank him for taking the time to share his story here with all of us. So welcome, Rafi.
Thank you so much
And
for
can you
having
tell
me.
us like which company have you got placed in?
So I got placed in Talview. It's a tech proctoring domain. So I got placed as a associate software engineer front end.
And how was your reaction when you finally came to know have got placed?
I was very happy, to be honest. Like, I never thought I would be working as a software engineer because the thing is, I have an experience from in other domain. I never thought I would be able to change my domain to a software in a software domain. So that was really a very happy moment for me when I got placed.
Okay. And how was your family reaction when they came to know you have got this placement?
So the thing is, I told you that I was working as a USIT recruiter. I only worked in night shifts. Like for past 3 to 4 years, I was working in complete night shifts. And when I got this opportunity and I got an opportunity to work in the daytime, my father was very happy about it actually. So, like working in a night shift may cause you like health issues and all those things. And because of that, my mom also was very happy about it, that I'm finally able to work in a day shift. I'm not sure if she knows how important the software engineering job is, but she was happy about the part that I would be working in a morning shift. That was
That's
actually
great.
funny.
That's great. So now let's talk a little bit about like from where are you and like study schooling from where did you do?
So I am actually from Telangana state, and from a town called Karimnagar. I've completed my 10th and my intermediate 12th in Karimnagar itself. I got a very good rank in my MSET. It's like engineering entrance exam. I got a good marks in that, and I got in a college which is affiliated to Osmania University. It's actually one of the top colleges in India. Then there, I completed my bachelor's in electrical and electronical. I was in my fourth year where I met with an accident. I couldn't complete my degree. That was very painful for me. I wanted to complete my degree, but because of my health issues, I was not able to. Then when I got healthy and I was able to complete, I I had many backlogs by then. So I lost hope. I thought of discontinuing my bachelor's, but then this COVID came, and I thought, why don't I give it a try? I completed my bachelor's in 2020. My fourth year was about to complete in 2016. I took 1 year that gap, and so I started working in from 2017 itself. Like I was working from 2017, 18, and 19, and 20. I quit the job, and I focused completely on exams. And I wrote my exams. I completed my bachelor's. I got my degree and all those things. Then I tried to get software job. I took a course in Hyderabad. I went to many institutes, many other institutes, where I was offered courses, but I was not offered like placements, 100% placements. But then I thought, like, why am I wasting my money? Then I got to know about EdYoda from one of my friends actually. He joined in machine learning, data science and machine learning program. Then I thought of like giving it a try. That I was also working at that time. I was working in night shifts, and I took the classes in the morning. I completed my training on all the modules. I wrote my exams in EdYoda. Then after that, I resigned from my current position as a USIT recruiter. Then I took gap of 1 month for preparing for all the interviews. I also took the class which was provided us from EdYoda about the placement module. So, yeah, Neha was the one who taught us how can we be better in interviews, like how can we prepare ourselves and how can we prepare our resumes and CVs. I took all those classes very seriously, to be honest. Whatever she told me, I worked on those things, and whatever the feedback which I got from the mentors, I worked on them. I learned skills like HTML, CSS, JavaScript, React. I learned all those things. I made the projects on my own. I created my portfolio. Then Seamanth gave me a call like there is a requirement. If you want to apply, then I can apply. I applied to Tallview. That was my first application actually, and I got the job. And the whole process got finished in 1 week. In only 1 week, all the interviews, all the rounds were completed, and I got my appointment letter.
Okay, that's great. Like it was pretty quick, the placement part.
Yeah, placement part was very quick. So Monday, I got a call from Seaman that I will be getting the test from Talview. I wrote the test on Monday. Tuesday, I was scheduled for technical round. Technical round got completed. Then on Wednesday, manager round. Thursday, HR round. And Friday, I got a verbal confirmation.
Wow, that was super quick.
Yeah, that was very super quick.
So now we'll move to a little bit about EdYoda. So I'll come to a question like, how did you actually come to know about EdYoda?
So the thing is, first thing I got to know it from my friend, and I think it was magical. Like it came to my Instagram. Like I was just mindlessly scrolling through on Instagram, and I saw one sponsored post from EdYoda. I thought like, didn't he mention me about this thing? And I clicked on that link, and I on that day itself I subscribed to it, like registered to it from Instagram itself. Then I got a call from EdYoda team, explain me about all those process.
All right,
That
that
was
was
quick.
great. So this was like how you came to know. Now moving on to the program part, the actual learning phase. So you were telling like you were doing job as well as like managing the
Yes.
studies part. So how did you
Yes.
keep up the schedule like?
Schedule, as I told you, I was working in USIT domain, USIT recruitment domain. My shifts were in the night from 7 o'clock to like morning 4, 5. So I was sleeping like 4 to 5 hours, and I have classes from 10:30 to 12:30. Then I used to take those classes, and I used to practice for more like 2 to 3 hours. Then I used to go back to my office. And because of COVID, it was helpful because I was working from home. If it wasn't if it wasn't a COVID, then I don't think I would have joined EdYoda.
Okay.
That was a good thing for me because of
So
COVID.
basically like you were watching the recorded classes, right?
No. So see, we got an option to join live session in the morning and also in the evening. We had live
Okay.
session in the morning 10:30.
Okay.
So my batch, like the batch I took was for the morning batch, which was from 10:30 to 12:30, and there was
Okay.
another batch in the evening 5:30 to 7:30.
All right. So you were in
So
the
my batch was
morning.
in the morning. Yes, exactly.
Okay, got it. So like if I ask you now overall, how was the like modules, the actual learning part, the syllabus, what would you say about that?
See, the modules and all those things, like whatever they taught us was very good. Everything was very good.
Okay. And like suppose someone who doesn't like, did you have any coding knowledge before joining EdYoda?
No, man, I didn't have any coding knowledge before joining EdYoda. EdYoda was like the first coding practice for me, where
Okay.
I
So
got to know about HTML, CSS, and all those things. JavaScript. I learned from scratch, complete scratch. I didn't even think that I would be a developer, but because of EdYoda's teachings, I'm a developer now. I only have one statement. You have to trust the process. You have to practice every day. You have to finish all your assignments. The whole thing got completed in 1 week itself for me. I took the interview and everything was good from then.